In this video, I'll show you how to delete search suggestions on Twitter, now called X, using the desktop website. This is a quick and easy way to clean up your recent searches, remove old suggestions, and keep your search bar looking more organized and private. If you've ever searched for something once and kept seeing it pop up again, this guide is for you. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your X account on the desktop version of the website. This method works best on a computer because that's where you'll see the full search options more clearly. Once you're signed in, look to the top right area of the page and click the search box. This is the search bar where you normally type names, hashtags, topics, or keywords. As soon as you click into the search box, X will show you a list of your recent searches and suggested search terms. These are the entries that appear automatically based on what you've searched before. If you only want to remove one specific suggestion, find the search term you want to delete and look for the small X icon next to it. Click that X, and that individual search will be removed from your recent suggestions. If you want to clean up your search history more thoroughly, X also gives you the option to clear everything at once. To do that, look for the Clear All option in the search suggestions list. Click Clear All, and the platform will remove all of your recent searches from the search box history. This is useful if you want a fresh start, or if you just don't want old searches showing up anymore. It's a good idea to double check the list after clearing it, just to make sure the suggestions are gone. In most cases, once you clear them, your search box should no longer show those previous terms. If you still see new suggestions later, that usually means they're being generated from your current activity or trending content, not from your old search history. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can delete search suggestions on Twitter or X and keep your search history more private and easier to manage. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.